Okay, so now we're gonna try camera. We're gonna try camera. We're gonna try camera, pixel, camera. Really? Hey, what is up, guys? There it is, Pixel 7 Obsidian arrived today. I'm gonna open this simple box, and I like how they put these tabs so you don't need to use any kind of blade to open it. Feels nice in the hand in the box. Let's see. It's kind of dusty. Strange. Anyway, you can see the dust on top of the phone. I don't know where's that coming from, but this phone looks beautiful. I love the matte finish on the camera. Not a fan of glossy. As you can see all the dust and fingerprints, and really feels slippery in the hand. But size is pretty good. I was expecting much larger phone in a hand since I have Pixel 5, which is perfect for my hands, but it's not too bad. It's way better than I thought it would be. So this is in comparing it with Pixel 5. You can see it's significantly bigger phone. Alright, so let's take this tab. Yeah, that is pretty nice and shiny. It almost looks as shiny as the back of the phone. Oh, it starts. That's pretty nice. It comes charged. I'm gonna just turn the pixels. So the bezels are not really as thin as you might think. They're almost the same size as the Pixel 5. And this is how it looks in the back. So Pixel 5 has that fingerprint scanner on the back, which I prefer. It works flawlessly. As far as I heard, Pixel 6 had problems with fingerprint scanner that is built in the screen, but we'll see. I'm not really worried about that, but it really feels good in the hand. Oh, really nice haptic touch. Like haptic on this phone are amazing, way better than Pixel 5. Screen doesn't look any better, at least at this time, or worse than my Pixel 5. I know it's supposed to be much brighter, but I can't really tell, not at this point. But I don't know, I just like these cornered edges on Pixel 5 better. It just feels smoother, I don't know. But yeah, bezels are almost identical. Yeah, and feels good. So we're gonna start setting up the phone. Let's see, so copy. So I'm gonna copy all my apps and data from my old phone. There's about 50 gigs to copy, and I'm okay with that. There's 128 gigabyte version, so I'm not gonna have a whole lot of space left. But I can tell you, this phone is hot. Like, it's really just transferring that data. It heated up. My Pixel 5, I can't feel any heat, none. But this, maybe just because it's glass in the back and you can feel it. Anyways, so it seems like, yeah, brightness, it looks about the same like my old phone. Really, I don't know, maybe it's tad brighter, but looks pretty much the same to me. So we'll try camera. I'm really excited about, and yeah, this is disappointing. This is disappointing. Right out of the box, first thing, glitch. Phone is not opening camera app. So we'll see, maybe a restart would help. Oh yeah, that button is, so let's restart the phone and see what happens. So this is my first restart to try to figure out the camera. Alright, so phone is freshly booted up, and let's try it again. This is second restart. And no, nothing. Oh, there it is. Camera keeps stopping. Huh. that is so disappointing. I was so looking forward to test the camera. Alright, so what happened? I had to Google this, and I had to update all of my apps, especially camera app, in order to work. And there it is. Google is your friend, so just look it up. Camera seems working. Honestly, I mean, with this, doesn't look any different than my Pixel 5. Alright, I'm gonna do some test shots, some videos. Let me know what would you like to see. Till then,